Okay, so final part. If you made it this far, congratulations. This is actually a question from the midterm that I took when I was taking 61B in fall 2019. So this is a really hard question. I didn't even understand how static and dynamic types worked then. So this is just kind of like me blindly guessing through. So now that you have practice with this before your midterm 2, you'll probably be at an advantage. And this is a pretty hard question. So if you understand everything so far, you're good to go. All right, so this dot K of NA, remember this is a static and dynamic type C. We're calling the K method inside C, so we need to find that. It's right here. Okay, so we know that we're going to be printing out C. Okay, so let me do it here. Okay, and then here's the interesting part. Inside this function, we're also doing another 2 calls. So yeah, I know it's pretty disappointing. Well, first of all, let's figure out what X is. So we're passing an NA, okay? And NA is still this, right? So this is going to be our new X here. So when we call X.F, we need to first look at the static type, which is A. That's what the compiler sees. And so in class A, we want to take a screenshot of this F method. And because it's a non-static instance method, we can potentially overwrite it at runtime. And in this case, we do need to overwrite it because we know that I'm stuttering, that the dynamic type for NA is B, which is different. And so we need to look at the B class and find the F method there, which is here. And so we're going to print out B and then X and Y, which are going to be 3 and 4 taken from the B class. And then finally, you have this call. Okay, so in that case, X is still going to be NA, but now it's casted to B. So the static type and the dynamic type is going to be B, which means that when you call G, you are going to be looking inside here. Okay, and so that's going to be B, and then Y is going to be 4, taken from the class B. So that is it. Hopefully that made sense. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know either through Discord, or you can even put yourself on the office hour queue for lab if you are, if you have the flexibility, freedom to ask questions about this midterm 2 prep during lab time. Right, that is it.